It's a bug that forms these fungus-looking shells on branches. Today we're going to talk about shellac that is added to panned products. Panned products in chocolate mean that we've coated or enrobed something like macadamia nuts or hazelnuts with chocolate. And there's something called shellac that is added to panned products. And it gives it a really nice shine. And this is in a lot of other products as well, but shellac is something that usually comes from India. It's a bug that forms these fungus-looking shells on branches. And these workers would chop the branches off these trees and scrape all this shellac off of it, this fungus-looking crust, and then melt it, heat it up, and create this waxy-looking substance that's completely food safe and has been used for probably hundreds of years. That is added into panned products, making any product that says it has shellac in it not vegan friendly. One thing to keep an eye out for, and just to be clear, we do not use shellac. I have no problem with it. We've just never used it in any of our chocolate-covered macadamia nuts. It's all natural. We just use our dark chocolates or our Lilikoi chocolates, Hawaiian sea salt chocolate, and we would coat our macadamia nuts in our panning machines, which we need to do an episode on. Those are fun. That's a fast-growing segment for us we call treats. Very snackable, delicious items. And there you have it.